In this video, you're going to see careless drivers, close calls, and people who really shouldn't be on the road. This is Dashcam TV. Buckle up, it's about to get gassy. In these first two videos, people stopping on the interstate and on an off-ramp. Watch the 18-wheeler come into my lane, no turn signal. This person misses the turning lane, so they make their own. This video is a guy going the wrong way. This person decides to pull out in front of me. I don't know what this person's trying to do. Well, this person had to have that parking spot in a hurry to get into work, so they cut the other driver off. No turn signal, just comes over into my lane. This lady is trying to back out her parking spot, not noticing the lady pushing the red car, almost hitting her. Come to find out, the lady had a dog in her lap and trying to drive. See a state trooper? Let's almost come to a complete stop. This person missed the exit. Ended up in the grass. This person thinks as long as they use their turn signal, they can cut you off. Watch the white SUV and the green Jeep pass me on the right. Eventually, they'll cut across 3 lanes of traffic. This guy, after getting gas, he couldn't wait behind the SUV trying to make a right turn, so he decides to go out the wrong way. This is a picture of our rental car while we was in Anchorage, Alaska. An eagle must have flew over that night and decided to relieve itself. This picture was of a moose that we seen at Kincaid Park in Anchorage, Alaska, about 5 to 10 feet off the road. Stay smart, stay safe, and stay gassy. And I'll catch you on the next one.